now that you know a little bit more about how my brain was born, which is to say rainbow, pick your word, and you know a little bit more about my experiences, then let me tell you. Being born the way I was and receiving in some horrifying ways all of the traumas, all of them, and I mean all of them, Christians. God gave them all back to me, put together right, and made sense of it all. I found my ikigai. But trauma damages the brain in the exact same way. Trauma, or how you are born. The damage is in the same regions and it goes around in a circle. So if your brain is rainbow, maybe you were born with it. Maybe it's just fire. James Taylor, I've seen. And I hope that this is right for you.